how to fix this problem on Valorant connection error code 81. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here device manager and then make sure to update all those display adapters like this driver. Right click on it and click update and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Then close it, and after that also update network adapters and processors, and then type here services. Now scroll down until you find VGC. Right click on VGC, go to properties. You will find it like that, make it automatic, and then click apply and OK. If you find if you find here start, just click on it, and if you can't click on it, just click restart. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.